Taking a look at our plans for the armrest, we have an angled end. Specifically, we are angled to 84.82 degrees. Now this angle does correspond to the angle of the backrest, so it should seat in there nice and tightly. What we need to be careful of is that these pieces are mirror images of each other. So we need to lay this out to make sure that we don't cut the wrong angle on the wrong piece. I'll set my first one in place, making sure my curved end is facing out. Then I'm going to draw the angle of the backrest. This is a visual guide only, and I'll do that for the other side as well. And I'm then going to set my saw to 84.82 degrees, which is also 5.18 degrees, and lock that in place. I then want to verify that I am cutting the right angle on the right piece because I am creating mirror images of each other, and I can complete my cut removing as little material as possible. We'll move the saw to 5.18 degrees in the other direction, lock it down, and complete our cut. I can then verify that fit on my project.